Mechacha obi biara daily trends and our solution. Yen sem no and sem abeka yen sam yenko na yekutie and sem no enchem.
Breaking news every the ECOWAS court ababituja regarding case here the former Chief Justice Yamami Gertrude Araba Isaba Saki Torkonoo of the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice. Now, Rebecca here, 4th July 2025, and after her suspension as Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Ebra here in Igusu Koso, and we proceed to the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice. Court challenge processes near Faso Edward Yinifiho as Chief Justice. Citing reasons her fundamental human rights are violated, judicial independence, the executive interfere, on one case also dignity as a human being, as a woman. Committee no amfa equine paso, the right to fair hearing so assign equal question and lastly the right to work under regional and international human rights instruments. In cases of this nature, in Kayana, it may check a cry and sana, funny nations rubber, but with barely weeks and sana 1 year about the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice, Shia Nigeria, no, a determination about the Tuja. We details in our ha, your demo Equaku Urem. Now, the Kaya Hokakra. Justice Gertrude Araba Saki Torkonoo reliefs and as someone kasa de koko dan ECOWAS Community Court say omo hwem no omo criminal. The government of Ghana objective the office of the Attorney General was represented in this case. Now na Justice Torkonoo ehwehwe say court en granting fama no ai court no so abekasa fa ho no nyema mako and watch. They didn't say he sought that a declaration that her suspension and removal violated her human rights. Another 1. 2. A declaration that the proceedings against her breached her right to a fair hearing. 3. A declaration that her dignity and right to work were violated. 4. An order setting aside or reversing her removal from office. 5. Reinstatement as Chief Justice and as a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. 6. Restoration of all salaries, benefits, privileges and entitlements. 7. A compensation of $10 million for moral, reputational and related damages. And I try to cry 18 other consequential orders the court may deem appropriate. Na Rebecca ya case no ehya ase no na omubusu a omo edi no omo ewie na committee a President in consultation with the Council of State established the recommendations by CM dismissal it my dismissal the dismissal no the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice the former Chief Justice an opportunity to amend the case now the call because as at then no suspended be after not have the dismissed into or amended the case now what near Ujinemu Edema Justice Torkonoo former Chief Justice Rabekasa na your friend Femi Falana Oko Nigeria, one of the top lawyers Omo Nigeria on representing the former Chief Justice Gertrude Torkonoo. Now the Republic of Ghana also the office of the Attorney General I represent here, led by Deputy Attorney General Justice TRENZ. Now any court no edi ababa betuja in a unanimous decision. So reliefs Yamami Gertrude Araba Saki Torkonoo esiki yano enubu ha omo grantia enyeyi based on Omwankasa the understanding of how Ghana a legal framework in the ACTA and nothing so also with respect to addresses both parties now our council at the Ebabo Etuja. Now, the decision made by the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice. The court ruled as follows. 1. The suspension of the Chief Justice did not violate her right to work. The court rejects Torkonoo's claim that her suspension was arbitrary and motivated by ill will. Relief here, Justice Torkonoo Isiki Yono, Rebecca ya, relief number 3. So, akonya nkawasanka yede mano na jumedia odi as Chief Justice no. Ya mana sa akonya no ena afi so konya ye fa so yim no. Kamia se nkofukuo bi ena ekoko tenase a omo eye o madwen se ekwan bia so omo be no isan say na previously prior to 2024 elections nkofuo bi edit uja say the judiciary has been compromised and until they need to reset the judiciary. But court also tenase now court also say omo de they can only base their judgment now say their reasoning on legalities and facts. Now the legalities and the facts now goes to prove say akwan daho e was say faso e the Chief Justice no sa akwan na so and the President of the Republic, Council of State committee are citing omo no faso until the court cannot grant that relief and say her right to work was violated. The court ruled as follows. Number 2, also say Torkonoo was not arbitrarily dismissed. The court finds that due process was observed. Now just say they are buttressing the first reason, you know, say ampa say quite be at the bone on Tanzania de shen na no. Koya Ghana na pon 1992 constitution no a shout to ho say omo fa so no. Omo fa sa kwan na so. In the eyes of more judges, so they cannot grant that relief. Now, the reasoning number 3 of the court judgment, and it said the Chief Justice's claim that she is also a member of the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, and High Court, and should have been removed separately from all these courts is absurd. In the court's view, her membership of these courts flowed from her position as Chief Justice, and if she was no longer Chief Justice, she could not claim to be a member of all the separate courts. The ECOWAS Community Court of Justice, omo reason omo assign dismiss another relief sought by the Chief Justice. Say Chief Justice, she's still a member of the Supreme Court, she's still a member of the Court of Appeal, and also the High Court. I was in the judicial service of Ghana. But the judges in the ECOWAS Community Court unanimously also disagree. Now, one point to me say it is because she is the Chief Justice, a minty and a man of right as a Supreme Court judge, Court of Appeal judge, High Court judge. A hono and Tiasiano and Shada in Hosa, because before Obade Chief Justice now, she had risen through the ranks in the crown in the High Court. Any promo to no, Edina Call, Supreme Court, election petition 2020 now okay, and judges are what case no. So she was already on the bench and signed Obade Chief Justice, but strangely, the ECOWAS Court of Justice, they say it is rather her position as a Chief Justice, a minty, and a member of the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, and the High Court. The lawyer, Femi Fanla, reacting to this reasoning by the court. The kind amamo it is answers and send you a hold more kind shada and transform papa. Now, the point number 4 also say the court rejects Torkonoo's claim that her removal was unlawful because the committee only confined itself to only the first petition and did not go into the second and the third petitions. The court finds that on the whole, the committed act prudently in the interest of the judicial economy. That is a Chief Justice former really for Siki say and some yensa and a bon. What you back up ejina so e take decision. It is not fair. I wasn't camera committee etie all the three petitions then they form an opinion based on all the three. But really, just one charge pay in tempan no so you no free honum. No way didn't find home. The ECOWAS Community Court of Justice and also say they agree with what the Ghanaian judicial system did. Reasoning number 5, honestly, the court rejects Torkonoo's claim that she was treated to undignified treatment because she was searched and that her husband and family were excluded from attending the parties, and also that the choice of Ebu Lodge was deliberate because of her uncle. The court found that the measures taken to secure the proceedings were lawful and proportionate. 6. The court rejected the claim that the committee violated her rights by continuing with the removal proceedings, despite the fact that she had filed an application for provisional measures seeking to suspend the proceedings. Then the last one, 7. The court holds that Ghana did not violate Torkonoo's rights to receive information about the proceedings. That even though Torkonoo is entitled to receive the full report and record of proceedings, she did not even prove that she had first requested for the full report before proceeding to court. She said, "We any and someone the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice the Ababetuja Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Isabasaki Torkonoo and a lawyer Femi Falana sorry Wabra the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice read this judgment in his remarks and he moved kakra according to reporter in second he moved free. So he lost his cool after the judgment, and then he made a remark say judgment we are the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice they should make it available to all judges in the ECOWAS sub-region. Now the entire Oman making known they say according to Femi Falana, counsel for Gertrude Araba Isabasaki Torkonoo, the dismissed Chief Justice now say this is to show say the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice no omoti hono se bibi ekwacho ewo ECOWAS country bi emu a omo entumi enye hwe mfa ho. They don't have the nerve and the temerity to right certain wrongs bia ekoso in the ECOWAS sub-region. Say abaidia de bi na senya Aminti ene wo the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice no mo na wasa muhwe na mo de attentreni eto attentreni na se ye de mamia fasanye ma yenu na she has proven with evidence in chief no anka say lead through a council say we need the year no bia ya ekoko try na asem mpu no there is a long standing memory e wo honom just say kwan a mo de ne fan so enye kwan papa no e den and the ECOWAS Community Court it will be a monibus anima winning also now omode atemchi ayese ebetuja according to Femi Falana. Na essentially the bufu dey bufu kasa in court so no e komasa na edena the judges will have reason to respond. Na report no actually say judges no enso amfano ahogodo so no say dabi you are a very top lawyer na sa kasa we ni say behavior with you. It is unacceptable. Nomsaka Chen said they did not expect that from him. But be it as it may, Sir NDC case now Akwakupimu said the ECOWAS court has dismissed the challenge by Gertrude Araba Isabasaki Torkonoo. The removal processes are akoso ewo Ghana emuhanum. Dachi Ebechere, posterity will be the judge with regards to all these processes here akoso edietia Gertrude Araba Isaba Saki Torkonoo.
Se nipa nyina asundwe no otimi koban na dwuma bi a ena boa na odi o asetrem papa na bambo nsem o Ghana hanso de o man ade hye nyina nim se posifo adwuma Inspector General of Police IGP on a special operations team akomtuma de abachirima National Police Headquarters and Kramontenso ene Ashanti Regional Police Command no dwama yoni omo nse nipa bamfo timi fa region bi do mu se region we sam patama de ibedi nsemani wo mu pa sabe mprediasa ebena mesebu akwanso de ebawe akobo gentira bra agika shebutum ebi nso de atuo ni akode ene ko ni nipa kokwaji obisika ebi nso hyede bra ne lande na odi jiska gu ni butum sa bonfisa bu wese na bra omayase ensa manso jesu ankoso into the Inspector General of Police IGP Special Operations Team o ma gbense wo na no bi ada enipa bi obe na gbense sabe odi omayaso bebe shabo ase no no de no bezu onya hina ta so kufu ene ope no ene oboa odi se apointo be twani sei ha into omo de mie ma bi ti se atonsu bokum ena ma bi ti se asawase otafo bokum estate ene emia bi ti se ahembro no so asopa omo ma posifo na mabofu ko temu ho se nipa omo ma Ghana fo nwo mu asantima ntem no omo tete omo no muncho ya no mo nyi nipa cho o ma chi nipa ma ko oha ene edwotwe ensia 186 first ayo su se abon fo se mo mu die yengongo yemu obi puani sabi prediasa e ma wen yan fo mu nkonko bo genti abra wa manfo amanso ene omemu na nipa 186 ohane edwotwe ensia no emu edwotwe ensia e Ghana for pa na ebi no ana emu edwokuno ensia 96 Nigeria for womu de ngomu gamba kabelo ana emu enan Togo for ezomdom de drum ana tai ayi Nigeria ne Ghana for lechi na womu de emu no womu sin said meji womu shase ewo bosumen du ya ne de toso enkron ewo Kenya ase ewo no mu nipa bi dodo mo pa na baba ko omu chi na ye nwanwa efana Gladys Ibrahim enya Gladys Bachwe Gladys Ibrahim na Gladys Ibrahim no oko abonfusam ahinie ni ma ye fa Mama G Mama G ba ko to nkara ko amazami no ndi oni bodi bia na ngada ko no to na Mama G ya do ano no oka Nigeria for makumako ediokuno ensia no ho na Togo for enan no elo na Ghana Police Service say wo to nka dia mani pa sabe wo mo do mo so omo magana for so mi wo mo ne enwu chane say omo do mo koso a na yada politifo eda ne adachina obi biara anadwe so bedi nsabone obebo ko obedi ewu obefa abafu kwa so cyber crime ya dia na amagana for work adwamu apolitifo nso e kra do say o pekwa asabe kwehye otwen awe won ba be US form no mo do kujina egbana no sa ensem we nyina olu abode ahyayo Deputy Superintendent of Police